Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best mini fiber optic OTDR on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Orientech. The Orientech Mini Fiber Optic OTDR is a compact and reliable tool for fiber optic technicians, designed for accurate network testing. Key features include stable performance with a dedicated power source, use of 3 AA batteries for easy replacement, and an SC/UPC connector for secure connectivity. Its lightweight design enhances portability, while the absence of wireless functions focuses on essential OTDR performance. Environmentally safe materials are used, and a 1-year warranty with after-sales support is provided for user assurance. Number 4. Graytool GR230. The Graytool GR230 Mini Fiber Optic OTDR is a compact and efficient testing device tailored for fiber optic technicians and network installers. Key features include support for single-mode fibers, multiple connector compatibility, SC/FC/ST, and a lightweight design for easy transport during on-site testing. It operates with a stable wired connection, omitting wireless functionality, which enhances reliability and battery efficiency. Constructed without high-concern chemicals, it ensures safer handling. Produced by Graytool in mainland China, this device reflects the brand's reputation for quality and cost-effective solutions in fiber optic testing. Number 3. Comtico FWT-100S5L. The Comtico FWT-100S5L Mini Fiber Optic OTDR is a compact, professional-grade testing tool ideal for technicians and network maintenance teams. Its portable design, 117mm x 70mm x 33mm, facilitates on-site use. Key features include a 20 dB dynamic range for accurate signal analysis, a test range from 0.1 km to 80 km, a high-precision 1550 nanometers wavelength, and SC/UPC connector compatibility. The device offers adjustable pulse widths, 5 nanoseconds to 20s, multiple measurement modes, real-time, average, automatic, and low dead zone performance for precise fault detection. With Number 2. Lingshuanxing. The Lingshuanxing Mini Fiber Optic OTDR is a compact and practical testing device for fiber optic professionals. It supports single-mode fiber networks, offering reliable performance for troubleshooting and maintenance. Key features include a 9-in-1 multifunction design, portability, 20 cm x 20 cm x 20 cm, wide compatibility with major brands like Ubiquiti and Mikrotik, and a hybrid connector for flexible setups. Manufactured in China, it is built from safe materials, ensuring peace of mind during use. Number 1. Grandway M1000D. The Grandway M1000D Mini Fiber Optic OTDR is a compact and lightweight testing solution for fiber optic technicians, ideal for fieldwork and FTTH deployment. It features a portable design, 85 by 148 by 37 mm, 275G, a 4-inch touchscreen for intuitive navigation, and dual wavelength testing at 1310 nanometers and 1550 nanometers for accurate measurements. With a dynamic range of 22 dB per 20 dB, excellent dead zone performance, 3M event dead zone, 10M attenuation dead zone, and SC/UPC connector compatibility, it is effective for diagnosing network issues. Its rugged design ensures durability and visibility, while certifications like CE and RoHS guarantee safety and environmental compliance. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.